Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow everyone to see when you're online on WhatsApp web using your PC with the latest update. This new feature gives you more control over your online presence. Let's get started. Here are the steps to follow. 1. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. If you haven't already, simply scan the QR code using your phone to connect to your account. 2. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. Click on the gear icon to proceed. 3. A menu will appear. From the available options, click on Privacy. This section lets you tweak various privacy settings to suit your needs. 4. Within the privacy settings, you'll find an option labeled Last Seen and Online. Click on it. Here, you can manage who can see your last seen status and when you are online. 5. You will see a few options. Everyone, My contacts except, and Nobody. To allow everyone to see when you are online, select the Everyone option. By choosing Everyone, all WhatsApp users will be able to see when you are online. That's it. You've successfully allowed everyone to see when you're online on WhatsApp web on your PC with the latest update. This feature can be useful if you want to be more accessible to your contacts and let them know when you're available to chat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you next time.